Charlie is a goat from Ethiopia, that is in Africa. The owner of Charlie is a family in a small village. Charlie lives here with other goats, but also donkeys and cattle. Every morning, Charlie and the other goats are walked outside the village to find places to graze. Charlie likes spending time with the other goats. What Charlie doesn't like is the heat in the summer. He misses the shade of a nice big tree. And often there's not enough water for all to drink, and Charlie stays thirsty. Also, there is the stick of the boy. When Charlie is walking too slow, he gets hit. That hurts. But Charlie doesn't always like to do what his owner wants. He dreams a lot. Charlie dreams of a life where the animals are in charge, where him and his friends can do what they want. Charlie is one of millions of goats in Ethiopia. Most of them have a similar life like his. And goats are kept as farm animals across the globe. And each of them is unique. Like Charlie. Let's meet another farm animal, Bella, a cow from Czech Republic. Czech Republic is in the center of Europe. Bella lives here on a farm together with many other cows. She has always lived here. Look how cute Bella was as a baby calf. When she grew up, Bella was outside a lot, together with her friends. Now she spends all her life in the stable. Her owner keeps Bella to produce milk. The cows at the farm are milked twice a day. Bella's body needs a lot of energy. She has to eat and eat and eat. There's not much else to do anyway. Every day in the stable is pretty much the same. Do you know why a cow's body is producing milk? Only because they have a calf every year. But all calves are taken away by the owner and grow up without their mothers. The babies miss their mother, and the cows miss their children. Bella dreams a lot. She dreams of a life where cows don't have to produce milk for humans. A life where they all live happily together with their calves. Bella is one of over 1 million cattle in Czech Republic. And cattle are kept as farm animals across the globe. And each of them is unique. Like Bella. Far away from Bella and Charlie, we meet another farm animal, Miss Daisy, the chicken. Miss Daisy lives in India. There are thousands of chickens on the farm, and one of them is Miss Daisy. Her and the other chickens are kept to lay eggs. Every day, the eggs get collected and sold in the nearby city. Miss Daisy is not happy at her farm. There is so many others, and no space to move around. Miss Daisy and all the other chickens have to eat, sleep, and go to the toilet at the same spot. The food is dry and boring. Her feet hurt on the wire of her cage, and it really stinks of poo. Miss Daisy dreams a lot. She dreams of being free. She dreams of a big field where her and her friends can bathe in the sand and scratch the ground to look for worms. Miss Daisy is one of many million chickens in India, and chickens are kept as farm animals across the globe, and each of them is unique, like Miss Daisy.